Hey YouTube, my name is Anatoly Shepel. Today, I'll show you how to make a simple cover of the song Gorillaz Feel Good Inc. in Logic Pro X using the Akai MPK Mini. Let's add the first track. Change the BPM to 139. Next, we select the drum machine designer. Then, assign drum sounds to the pads. The kick will be 808 flex. The snare will be blazing hot. The clap will be trapdoor. The closed hi-hat will also be from the 808 flex library. And the crash will be from the beat machine. For convenience, I have a habit of naming sound groups. We'll call this group drums. After this, let's check if the pads match the sounds we selected. As we can see and hear, everything is fine. But I want the drums to sound punchier, so now we'll set up buses, and it will sound the way I like it. I usually use bus 31 and bus 32 for drums. Let's start with the kick. Edit bus 31. First, we add chroma verb and adjust it. Next, we add noise gate. Then we edit bus 32. Add stereo delay and adjust it. Next, select bus 31 and 32 for the snare and clap as well. Let's listen to everything together. Now, let's add the bass. I want pick bass. It's not downloaded yet, but I'll download it now. Now, record the bass part. Quantize the notes. Record the hi-hat, then the kick and snare. record the clap and crash. Add British Combo Synth lead. Record and adjust it. And the last sound will be slow synth brass swell. Duplicate all tracks to create a stop in the second part. Thank you all for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments. See you in the next video.